have you ever been to a sea beach? Well, sea beach is a very exciting place. There are waves coming from the sea, and then there is the breeze, which comes from the sea sometimes and sometimes from the land. And that breeze really gives you a great feeling all the time. Now, have you ever wondered how does this breeze happen? So, how does the sea beach always have a breeze? Why is air flowing all the time on a sea beach? Well, there is a particular reason for it. I'll explain. So, this is the sea, and this is land. Now, both the sea and the land have very special features. Now, the very special feature of land is that it gets hot very quickly. And as soon as the heat goes away, that is, as soon as the sunlight goes away or the sun rays go away, then it gets cold very quickly again. So, land gets hot pretty fast and gets cold pretty fast too. Now, what about the sea? Sea has a special feature again. It takes a long time to get hot. And then once it is warm enough, it takes a long time to cool down again. So both warming and cooling takes a long time in case of sea because it is filled with water. So you see, both of them are side by side, that is adjacent to each other, but they have very different properties. These properties allow the breeze to happen. So let's see how it works. So this is what happens in the daytime. So what happens in the day? In the day, due to the sun's rays, the land gets pretty hot very quickly, while the sea takes a lot of time to get hot, because it is a property of sea that it takes a lot of time to get warmer. So in the daytime, land is very hot and sea is much cooler. So what happens because of this? Because of this, the air which is near the land also gets hot because it is in contact with land. And as the air gets warm, it rises up. And when it rises up, then air from here, which is a cool air. Now, why is it cool air? Because the sea is cooler and the air near it is in contact with sea. As a result, this is cool air. So this cool air comes and takes the place of that warm air which rose up. So cool air comes here and warm air rises. And as it rises and reaches here, so here sea is cooler, it gets cool and descends here. And then again, it comes here taking the place of the warm air. And this circle keeps on continuing in the daytime. And as a result, we have cool sea breeze coming from the sea continuously in the daytime. But in the night time, the conditions reverse. Let's see how. So at night time, again, there are no sun rays. As a result, land gets cooler pretty fast because it is its property. Land will get cool very fast as soon as the sun rays move away. So land is cooler and sea is warmer because sea will take a long time to cool down also, because that's what is its property. So right now at night time, this is warm and this is cool. That is, the sea is warm and land is cool. Now what happens is, all the air here which is in contact with land is cool because land is cooler. Now all the air here which are in contact with the sea is warm because sea itself is warm and the air coming in contact with is also warm. So what is happening? The warm air above the sea is rising, and as it rises, the cold air from the land takes its place. And this warm air comes here towards the land, and when it comes to the land, what happens? Again, it gets cooled because of the coolness of the land. So it descends and then again moves to the sea. So constantly the air is moving from the land to the sea. And then we have the land breeze. So in the daytime, air was moving from sea to the land, and we were having the sea breeze. And at the night time, air is flowing from land to the sea, and as a result, at the night time, we have land breeze. And that's how all the time, continuously, we have a breeze flowing on a sea beach. In the daytime, it is the sea breeze, and in the night time, it is the land breeze. So you see, the entire time when you are on the sea beach, you have constant flow of air or breeze. That's because all the time the air is circulating. So in the daytime, it's circulating in this direction. That is, the land is warmer and the sea is cooler. So cool breeze is coming and the warm air is rising, and then again it takes its place continuously like a circle. And similarly at night time, the sea is warmer and land is cooler. So the opposite thing happens. That is, warm air from the sea rises and cool air comes from the land to take its place. As a result, we have the land breeze. So we have cool sea breeze in the daytime and cool land breeze at the night time continuously on a sea beach. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.